Hi everybody and welcome back to Music with Meg. I'm Meg and today I'd like to reintroduce you to an old friend of mine. It's my violin. Music with Meg. The violin is the smallest and highest pitched member of the strings family, and it's made of over 70 different pieces of wood, most commonly maple or spruce. The body of the violin is hollow, which allows the sound to bounce around and create that beautiful violin tone. From the top to the bottom of the violin, we have the scroll, the pegs, the neck and the fingerboard, the body, the F-holes, the bridge, the fine adjusters, the tailpiece, and the chin rest. And of course, we have the strings. The violin has 4 strings: G, D, A, and E. The thicker the string, the lower the pitch. So the super thin E string is our highest string. Now, as we play the string, it vibrates, and this vibration goes into the body of the violin and creates the sound. Now, of course, the violin wouldn't be complete without the bow. This is my violin bow. The stick, which is made of wood, the tip, which is the very top of the bow, the winding, the screw, which is used to loosen and tighten the hairs on the bow, the frog, and of course the hairs themselves, which are in fact horse's hair. The first modern violin is said to have been made in the 1500s by an Italian luthier called Andrea Amati. Early violin strings were made from catgut. But don't worry, Scampy, they're not actual cat's guts. They were actually sheep intestines, which were dried out and stretched out to make the 4 strings. The violin section is the largest section in the orchestra and is made up of first violins and second violins. These days, the violin is a very popular and versatile instrument and is used across lots of different musical genres, from folk, country, I took a chance, rock, and of course, classical. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you'll know when my next video comes. And if you want more Music with Meg, you can find me on Instagram at Music with Meg UK. Have a lovely week and I'll see you next time. Bye!